gold for India's MC Mary Kom from the Asian Games. Mary, gold medal यहाँ पे आपकी लक्ष्य थी. It's a dream come true.
We can say it.
क्या आपका बाउट कैसा था आपका?
अच्छा रहा. Of course, second round तक तो I could not catch up. पकड़ नहीं पा रहा. लेकिन third and the fourth round was easily like doing.
ओलंपिक्स के बाद आपका ये मेन एक बड़ा कॉम्पिटिटिव टूर्नामेंट था. कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स में आप नहीं गए थे. ओलंपिक्स से लेके अब तक का कैसा इस फेज को आप डिस्क्राइब करोगे? ब्रेक लिया आपने बॉक्सिंग से, यू हैड अ थर्ड सन, आपके ऊपर पिक्चर बनी, यू केम बैक टू द एशियन गेम्स एंड वन अ गोल्ड मेडल. इस फेज को कैसे आप डिस्क्राइब करोगे?
Well, after break, come back. Of course, as a mom, it's very hard, and of course, I did try cesarean also. It's very difficult for me. Well, because of my passion and boxing, of course, boxing is my life. Come back quickly and train very hard was very tough for me. Well, everyone is supporting me. Even our sports minister is very, is very kind for me, very supporting me. Well, he said, Mary, goal. I don't want another medal, only goal is it. So I'm happy, and the belief and really I did, to get a medal. Well, that was so many difficult, could not fight for the Commonwealth Games and leave family and leave the children, leave the kids was very hard. So because the fasting, the movie also coming in between, during my training preparation time. So I have to go for promote the movie, and especially I couldn't give more time for the promotion for the movie. I always keep, and because even Priyanka and Umang, this director, and Sanjay Leela sir, I always told them, just let me concentrate in my practice and the training. So I don't want to go here and there, my training will be missed. And of course I really want to come, but I could not, people, when we are getting a medal, people say, oh, Mary Kom, wow, super, after not getting anything, no one will be following me. That is the reason. That's why I really want it's to keep a performance maintain. It's very difficult, okay. But somehow because of all the support and the love, and that now the result is come.